Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is Dr. Nagaprashant K. In this video, we are going to discuss about examination pattern for GPAT. GPAT is going to be a computer based test. All the questions will be asked only in English. The duration of examination is going to be for 3 hours or 180 minutes. You need to answer 125 questions which are multiple choice questions. GPAT will be conducted only once in an year. Now let us see the marking system in the GPAT. The marking scheme is going to be like each question carries 4 marks. If you choose a correct response, then the candidate will be given 4 marks, while if you have chosen an incorrect response, then 1 minus will be deducted from the total score. This is the very important point. Any unanswered or unattempted questions will be given no marks. If you are really not sure about the answer, then please don't try to attempt it or answer it, so that negative marking is not going to affect your total score. To answer a question, the candidate need to choose one option out of the 4 given. The same marking scheme I have tabulated and it is here. For correct response plus 4 marks, for incorrect response minus 1 mark, unanswered or unattempted question 0 marks, which makes a total of 500 marks. This is the test pattern and marking scheme for GPAT. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe us. Do you have any questions? Please do comment in the chat box.